How's it going, everyone? Mike here with March 14th Merch by Amazon sales update. Uh, Good day. I would consider it a good day. As you can see here, seven sales in the States, and a few ones across the board for the total of 11 sales today. So in total 11, that brings me to 111 this month in the US, and then 125 total sales across all the marketplaces. Let's look at this closer. I think three of these here are new designs, again, that I uploaded in the last 2 to 3 weeks because of the tier up. I keep repeating this for anybody who's new to a channel, but I started uploading huge numbers of products over the last couple of weeks. I was at a tier 8,000 until maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago, and now I've just started, like I said, listing new products, and they're starting to sell. So what's got my curiosity right now is how many of those will actually sell versus the original designs. I have taken down a lot of older designs, but it really doesn't change much because the designs that we're selling, of course, I'm not taking those down. So all the old designs are still up, and then, like I said, huge numbers of new ones. Like I said, US, the 7-day average has increased a little bit. It was hovering around 60, but then there were 2 days where I had 3 and 4 sales. So now that's out of the picture if we're just looking at the 7 days, which means it's bringing the average up. So if it continues like that, and then we get rid of this slow day, the average will continue to go up, meaning that overall sales are increasing slowly. Where we compare to previous months, in actually a really good place, because as of today, and it's the 14th, so we're halfway through the month, I'm at 111. Again, this is the US market, which pretty much beats most months last year. As you can see here, there were a few that were higher than that, but just by a few sales, which means that overall this is a great start to the year. Let's look at the sales across the board. Like I said, total sales 125, which is great. I've gone over $2,000 in sales, and as you can see here, over $400 dollars in royalties right now, halfway through the month. So again, that's another thing that to me is great. And then the last thing that I wanted to talk about was the sale in Japan. So I've really been concentrating on Japan because, like I mentioned in a couple of in couple of my videos, where I was saying I really don't know. Like, there's no reference point. I actually don't know if the translations are good, if the designs make sense, if text-based designs that are written in English are going to sell, or should I just concentrate on designs that are just pictures themselves, or some kind of a design, I guess, for lack of a better word, design without any text, especially in English. And I definitely don't have any designs with any text in Japanese. So when I get something like that, it's interesting to me. It's more exciting than if I get a sale in Germany or whatever. I don't know why. It shouldn't really make a difference, but it's just, I guess, it's a completely different marketplace. As you can see here, I keep uploading. My plan, I've mentioned a few times, is to recycle thousands of these, because I've been listing them to pillows and bags, and those I guess even designs themselves are not really meant for those products, but those products don't really sell like a standard t-shirt would. Anyways, that's it for now. So far, looking great. Like I said, 125 total sales, over $400 in royalties, and it looks like I'm definitely going to beat the previous month. but we'll see how far I get. You know, I could be around here somewhere if it continues like this, but then again, you know, I could have 5 days where I get 1 sale or maybe 20 sales. Who knows? So anyways, we'll keep tracking this, and I'll wrap it up here. As always, thanks for watching, guys.